Hi, I'm Corey from the Formative Assessment Team. For a printable list of skills students are likely ready to work on next, use the Instructional Planning Report. Let's run the report together. Once you're logged into Renaissance, from the home screen, click on Reports. On the STAR Assessment tab on the Reports page, under the Screening and Instructional Planning section, select the Instructional Planning Student Report. Please note that you can now pin frequently used reports at the top of the page. Select Choose Assignment Type, either the link or the button, to choose the assignment types to include in this report. The reports to focus on are STAR Early Literacy, Math, and/or Reading. In the pop-up window, select the application you want to generate the report for. After you select an application, a second column, Assignments, will open. In this column, select a single assignment and click Apply. If you only want to run a report for select students, click on the Change Students option. Choosing Change Demographics will allow you the chance to personalize the report depending on ethnicity, gender, language, and grade level. This is a new feature for HISD this year. Demographic data reports are also available in OnTrack. You may sort students by last name or grade. For scale, select STAR Enterprise Scale for English or STAR Unified Scale for Spanish. Use the Benchmark Type drop-down list to choose which benchmark you want to measure students' scores against. When you are ready to run the report, click on Update Report, and the report will generate at the bottom of the page. To generate a PDF report for the class, use the PDF icon at the top of the page. Thank you for watching, and remember, formative assessment is assessment for learning to guide change.